trade cycle in Indian economy. Meaning and definition of trade cycle. A trade cycle refers to fluctuations in economic activities, especially in employment, output and income, prices, profits, etc. Definitions. According to Metzel, business cycles are fluctuations in the economic activities of organized communities. And according to Keynes, a trade cycle is composed of periods of good trade characterized by rising prices and low unemployment percentages, altering with periods of bad trade characterized by falling prices and high unemployment percentages. So in general sense, we can say that a trade cycle which shows the ups and downs in the economic activities, which leads to or which shows the impact on employment, output and other factors. Features of trade cycle. A business cycle is synchronic. When cyclical fluctuations start in one sector, it spreads to other sectors. In a trade cycle, a period of prosperity is followed by a period of depression. Hence, trade cycle is wave-like movement. It is in the form of fluctuations, in the form of accelerations, and it is in the form of wave-like movement, and it is also in the form of rhythmic factor. It composes or it involves with 4 stages: a recovery, boom, recession and depression, which can be seen with the help of a small diagram here, which shows in the form of wave-like movement where these 4 phases can be seen. First phase, recovery phase. Expansionary or recovery phase. Here we can observe 3 major factors here. Real output in economy is increasing, unemployment rate is declining. The upswing part of the cycle can be seen in recovery phase. Next, in second phase, that is in boom, peak or prosperity phase, where we can observe real output and the unemployment is at a high level. Unemployment is low. So in initial stage, the output will be at high level, but later on the unemployment will be low. Domestic output may be at high level, inflation may be high. So these are the 4 major causes or consequences which can be seen in the case of a boom phase. Third phase, that is the recession. Contraction or recession phase. It is also called as contraction or recession phase. In this phase, we can observe a real output is decreasing, unemployment rate is rising, and contraction continues, inflation pressure fades. If the recession is prolonged, price may be or may decline. If the recession continuously increases, it may lead to deflationary situation. Next, depression. Tough or depression phase. Lowest point of real GDP, output and unemployment, bottom output. This phase may be short-lived or prolonged. There is no precise decline in output at which a serious recession become a depression. So these are the 4 major phases or stages which we can see in the case of a trade cycle. The trade cycle shows the impact in current business cycle in India also. Indian economy is estimated to contract by 6.9% in 2020 due to the coronavirus pandemic. Is forecast to record a stronger recovery in 2021, and it grew by 5% according to a UN report which express current fiscal year budget points to a shift towards demand side stimulus. So slowly, as this coronavirus shows, the impact of growth rate is slowly decreasing towards 5%. Next, the report described the year 2020 as annus horribilis, saying all through warnings about the spread of virus have become more frequent, and it is anticipated the arrival of COVID-19 or its dramatic global impact. India is estimated to contract by 6.9% in 2020, and the GDP growth is around 5% in 2021. Slowly, it contracted to 5.9% in 2020 and recovery to 3.9% in 2021. The accumulated real income loss relative to pre-COVID-19 trend, that is 2020 to 2021, the GDP percentage in India is 27.7%. When we compare with the US, the US has been contracted by 3.5%. China is projected to record an 8.1% growth in 2021. So it notes that the global recovery that began in the third quarter of 2020 is expected to continue through 2021. When we remove such uncertainties in the economy, then obviously our economy can achieve better prosper in trade cycles or business cycles. Then what are the steps or measures to be taken to control this trade cycle? There are two major steps or measures which can be taken by the economy. The first one is preventive measure. Under this, precise relation between cyclical changes in general business, nature of the cyclical price movements in relation to the general trade cycle. Next, corrective measures are monetary policy, fiscal policy, direct controls, and fixed investment policy. So these are the two major measures which can be taken to control the trade cycles or business cycle in an economy. Thank you.